Hey folks, it's Bob. I've been trying to put together a video for you and it's taken me a minute. I recently got back from a trip to Idaho with Jan. We went up to Anderson Airmotive in Grangeville, Idaho, where our engines had been overhauled a few years ago. We went up to get some much needed parts to dress out our engines. And this is a short video about our experience there. And I'll bring you back at the end.
Yeah, just a little bit about what's going on at Ray's, and this is just a fingertip. So this is inside one of the small buildings that Ray has. Just things everywhere. And more things everywhere. And more things everywhere. Just looking at more stuff, more and more and more. You're having too much fun, Terry.
Yeah.
And here's Ray cooking breakfast for the crew right on the stove, and it smells so good. Thanks, Ray.
You're welcome.
Well, it was quite a trip. We had a lot of fun. We learned a lot. We also found out some of the capabilities that Anderson's has in making new harnesses for us and trying to locate parts that we don't have. Kudos to Ray and his crew. They were outstanding. The bacon was delicious. I hope to post another video real soon. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, and keep track of our restoration on the 917 Yankee A-26 Invader. Have a great day. Thanks.